SUNation to put panels up on our roof. Your crew came, they did everything they needed to, super nice, answered any question I had, completely out of my way, whether I was doing anything. I really wasn't, just cleaning the house, but they were super nice and, knocked on the door every time, kept everything clean. When they went up to the attic, they put the stairs back up for me, which I was surprised. They kept everything super clean. They cleaned up everything, walked around, make sure everything was picked up. So they did a great job. You're not pushy, I have to say, because we were checking out other companies and they really were very pushy with me. And, whenever I'd get an email from anyone at SUNation asking me if we were ready, I said, give us another couple of months, and that was it. They didn't call me and hound me at all. They just let me take the lead. I would recommend SUNation to anybody and everybody that asked, and when they see my panels pass by, if they stop, I will definitely tell them where we got them and who took care of us.